Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm just going to be walking you through how I've used Envato elements in order to design websites and exactly how I've done it. For all of you who are struggling to get your websites done, you're looking for themes, you're looking for something to help you out with that, Envato elements is what I would recommend. The second I found it, it's really made my life easier and that of my team. So let's get started.
Okay, let's begin. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into Envato Elements and create your account there. Once you've created your account, you can then start installing and downloading whatever elements you want from Envato. Now look for WordPress in the search drop down and then select the theme section on the filters. Once you've done that, you'll get a nice list of themes that you can download. Because you have an account with Envato Elements, you'll be able to install these and use them on your website. Each time you want to create a new website, you have to re-download the theme because it requires you to download a license over and over again. However, once you've started using it, there are no limitations. Now that we've selected a category of themes, you pick the theme of your choice. We're picking Soji. Don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but Soji it is. Now you click on it and you go over to the download section. Once you've confirmed that you've got all the features you want from the theme itself, then you can click download, of course. You can also check for a live preview. Now in here, once you've clicked download, you have to create a new project depending on whether it's a new project or if it's aligned to a previous project that you've already created in the past. You've created a new project, now click download. This will take a little bit of time. Of course, I'm going to fast forward past all the time wasting parts. You'll get a notification to tell you to click the button so that you can download. Click that and the download will begin. The download may take a little bit of time depending on how big the file is and how fast your internet speed is, but don't worry about that. It will be downloaded in a zip format, so you're downloading a zip file from Envato Elements. Once the download is complete, you can go over to the downloaded file and check on it to make sure you've gotten the right file. Okay, and there you have it. Now you've got your fully downloaded theme file ready to install. Now let me walk you through how to install the theme onto your website. In order to install the theme onto your website, you first have to extract the file, the zip file that you downloaded. Understand, the zip file you downloaded contains more information than you think. It's not just the theme in there. So once you've downloaded the file, extracted the zip file, go to the theme file within that folder, and then select the parent theme. Now head over to your WordPress website, go to the appearance section of the website, and as usual install the theme. So what you're doing now is you're installing the theme. You're importing a new theme onto your WordPress website using WordPress's theme installer itself. So that's no problem. Once you've extracted it, you know where your theme file is. Go ahead and just follow the steps that you're used to. And remember, in that theme file that we downloaded, there's a parent theme and there's a child theme. You would be most likely installing the parent theme. Depends on your needs. So I am installing the parent theme onto this website. It's a simple process that is made even simpler by WordPress. So click install now. Go to the theme file. and select the Soji zip and install now. This process usually takes a few moments. The theme is installed successfully. Now we need to activate the plugins for that theme and the theme itself. So click activate in order to activate the theme, and then you'll notice on the top of the screen there's a notification telling you that there are some plugins you need to install. Click on the theme itself if you'd like, and then you can take a look and click on the section where it says install plugins. Now these themes will usually not work perfectly without the plugins being installed, so just go ahead and install the recommended plugins. Click apply and let the installation begin. That process also does not take a lot of time. So now that the plugins are installed, the next step is going to be to activate each of these plugins. So let's go over and activate the plugins. So click on all the plugins, select activate and apply. Now that all the plugins have been activated, just go to the site, view site, and take a look at your new website. The next step is going to be designing your website in order for you to be able to use it, adding your content, your images. All of this you can download also from Envato Elements. They do have free stock images you could use. They do have other graphics that you can utilize while you're on their platform.
Well, there you have it, a simple walkthrough of Envato Elements. If you're interested in utilizing this mega tool, all I would recommend you to do is go to the description section below and click on that link. It's an affiliate link. It will help me to keep improving on my content. As you can see, we are a work in progress, but it will help me. The more people that click the link, the more revenue we make. So just go over and click the link. And if you're interested in finding out more on how you use Envato Elements, just let me know in the comment section below. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Cheers.